Hey everyone, it's Chris here, and today I'm going to do a review of this new app called DesignCap. Hey everyone, it's Chris with Online Store Help, and today I'm looking at this new app called DesignCap. Now, the company that created this product reached out to me, asked me to do a review of it. So go ahead, we're going to go ahead and take a look here and let me know what you think. Now, first thing, this is pretty much in beta right now that I can tell. It's a neat little platform, but I'll be honest, it is limited. Some of the things that I like about it is the text functionality is really good. That's something I wish that something like Canva might copy. Their clip art is really interesting. Their layouts, their pre-made layouts are pretty neat. They have some of those by industry and by specific subjects. It's great. And even some of the gradients that they're working on. So let's go ahead and make one. I'll show you what I like about it. So you come in here, and you have a blank canvas here that you can start out with. The only thing I found or haven't figured out so far is the ability to change this. Now, right down here, you're going to notice they have, this is all in kind of millimeters in the metric system, and we in the US use inches and pixels more often. But when you come through here and click on some of these pre-mades, they're all either A2 or possibly A3. There's no ability for you to change these sizes. They're all kind of pre-made. But the great thing is they have a lot of these different pre-made, so you can do it for business. Let's say you run a travel shop, right? Maybe you're a business and you do tours. This might be a great way to do some of these. Holidays, so if you are a shop or if you are a restaurant, any type of business that might have some holiday flyers that need to be built, these are great. You can do these in, again, like A2 or A3. And then, once you decide what you want to do, so let's say we want to create maybe we're announcing a new baby. So shower for a new baby here. All of this is very editable, right, which is great. And there's just a ton of different fonts that you can have and change the sizes on and change the color. What I do like about this is you have the ability to outline it or put a stroke on it, which makes it that much more readable, as well as adding a glow to it. Now, glow is kind of like a drop shadow, but not quite. So I come into the green. I'm going to bring that radius down. And you can see it's not changing a whole lot, but you can play around with it and add a little bit to it. So one of the things I like is the ability to do the properties. And again, like any of these platforms, it allows you to create different layers to copy it. And again, change up the font. There's a ton of them. It's just a lot of fun. As you can see, these are all different clip arts, as well as photos that you can pull from Pixabay or import your own. So coming into photos, they have a few extra. You can pull any that you want in from Facebook by logging in, as well as searching on Pixabay, which is free as well. So you could add that in to here if you wanted to. So there we go. We can change it. We can flip it. I don't know what any effects. Oh yeah, you can put some blurs into it or change the coloring, just kind of like Instagram. And you can change the exposure. So if you want to make something a little darker, change the contrast, saturation, hue, which is nice. Right, so you can make it more purple to reflect that, or make it more contrasty. Right, but if you just put it back to 0, only thing you can't do is you can't click in here to do it manually. You have to use these sliders, which can get a bit tricky, as you can see. So it has a bunch of pre-made sample text, which is really nice, which already have strokes, as well as just using standard, right? And they do have some just kind of really fun fonts that you can play around with. And then clip arts. So the clip arts, I would not say are the easiest to find, but your typical shapes here, solid shape. We want this to be opaque, and we want the color to be purple, let's say. So you can make those shapes and then move those, and we're gonna move that back in layer. I'm gonna move all the way back. So you can play around with a lot of this. They have different icons. Photography for office, nature, again, travel if you need to do it, family, so I could put in like the little foot right there if I want to put that in right there. So it's got a nice thing. The backgrounds I think are quite nice, and you can make your own gradients, which is nice if you want to, including if you have a hexadecimal code. Right? And then you can save, share, print, or load these other projects. So I haven't, you can do it as a JPEG or PNG. You can do small, medium, extra large. It all depends on that. And if you save it, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Tumblr. So you can go ahead and play around with it. Now, the great thing is it is 100% free. Is it going to replace Canva? Not right now. Only reason being is you have very limited sizes that you can work with. It's just essentially just creating flyers. So I think it's great for flyers, but you're not going to be able to do a lot of social media posts. You're not going to be able to create Facebook or YouTube banners. But it is something as a business you should check out very much. So go over to designcap.com, try it out, see how they're building and growing this platform over time, and it could be another part of your graphics arsenal. So go ahead and play around with it. Let me know what you think. Is it worthwhile trying, or does it still need a lot more work? Give a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.